other boat, she already tacked, so I'm going to wait till, come on, don't want her to round up. So I'm going to wait till she gets by us, and then we're going to come about again and see if we can pass her. We're still in the Sassafras River, but we're down in the wide part, and we got plenty of good water here. All four of us are up on the rail at this point. Randy's primary ballast in the princess seat.
Hey, I beg your pardon.
Sitting high and dry. And I'm getting a good arm workout here with this wheel. Now this is nice because we're getting to fly all the sail for a change and still have the boat under semi-control. She's just dying to round up on me, and I don't know. I can steer. You guys got the hard part. I offered you the wheel. I offered you the easy gravy job. Yeah, Steve, you want to grab that companionway cover and just slide her back in case we start getting spray again? Oh, help the lead. Okay, fill that jib over here, Steve. Just dump it, let it fly. Let it fly, Randy trim, as hard as you can with your hand, and grind your hand down here, okay? Don't drop it. Come on, grind her faster.